Hello, everyone. Thanks for being with us here today. Today I'm gonna be making a presentation about the SoftScanner platform, which is a platform created for the continuous quality assessment of web applications. And this is the GitHub repository of the SoftScanner project. As you can see, it consists mainly of two projects, one for the back end and one for the front end of the platform. And we've also provided a full stack test application, a web application, consisting of one backend in Node.js and two front end, one with Angular and the other one with React. So let's check out the GitHub repositories of our full stack web application. If we consult both of these repositories, you're going to see that they consist of a comprehensive README, which will explain the contents of each application, including its features, the technology stack, the project structure, and how to properly install it and set it up. So all you need to do is simply to clone the application, to clone the repository of the application, and then follow the installation setup in order to make it work. The same thing could be also said about the back end. As you can see over here, we have the same structure, the features, the project structure, and so on and so forth. So in both cases, I've already cloned and installed the front end and the back end application. So all I need to do for the front end is to simply type ngserve in order to launch it. And for the back end, what we need to do is to run it as well. So you would simply write npm start. Let's check out the application to see what it looks like. So we go to localhost 4200. For the time being, as you can see, there's really nothing in the application, but you can see that we have a navigation bar where we can see the latest posts. We can add a new post. So for instance, here's a new post, whatever. And then we can get redirected to the latest post page where we can like the post, dislike it, and or delete it. We can also see the list of users. We can add a new user. We can search for users by their email, and we can schedule availability. So as you can see from this application, the users have different features with which they can actually interact with the application. And we have different kinds of interactions, as you can see from the provided forms and inputs that the user can use. So one would be tempted to ask how the usage of this application could be actually studied, or how the user engagement specifically could be evaluated in order to see how users engage with this application, interact with it. And we will actually use SoftScanner in order to see how this could be done concretely. So let's move on to the SoftScanner platform now.